Hello, just a quick update on my NVDA situation. Not financial advice, just for entertainment, yada, 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 you know the drill. While I was in my office, on the toilet, um, I decided to go ahead and just sell off my call. I um, I was like, you know what? It started to drop a little bit from when I did the video last. I still had $100 of profit in there. I was like, you know what? It's $100. And then it went, and then NVIDIA proceeded to eat it. I got lucky, but I think the call probably still around the same price. Hold on a second. No, it's actually worth more now if I would have waited, but diamond handed, whatever you want to call it, I just got out. I wanted to take my profit. NVIDIA is very volatile. But I still want to play earnings. And so here's what I'm considering. Here's SPY bouncing back. I thought about playing like the 503 call. I was looking at it for the day. It was trading at like $19, but I didn't want to day trade for just like $2 or $3 profit. So what I'm showing you now is it's a comparison of NVIDIA, which is in the green and red bar chart, compared to NVDX, which is a two times levered ETF that trades NVIDIA. So you can see that when NVIDIA does well, the ETF does even better, right? So, starting from September of last year, it's gone up almost three times what NVIDIA has gone up. But if you go to like January, right, because it's aiming for two times, and it's not dollar for dollar, it's, percent for percent, right? So it's not like if NVIDIA goes up $1, this will go up $2. No, it's let's see, I'm trying to, here we go. So like beginning of the year, January, NVIDIA's gone up about 47%, and this NVDX has gone up 120%. It's still almost three times, but it's supposed to be two times. Anyway, and so I'm considering this as a way to stay in the trade because I still think that it will continue to rise through earnings, but you know what? Profit is profit. When you make, you know, two, 3x on your money in a week, you should take it. I was being stupid for a second. I got greedy and I missed out on some money obviously because obviously Nvidia popped back up after I sold. Um, it's fine. All right, so I was making the video earlier and I stopped, and here I am again. And this thing's starting to rocket already. Could have made some money if I bought at the dip, but I didn't. So looking today, just at the peak of to one day, it's weird, time wise. Um, how high did it get today? So today it got the high of 72.46, which is also the 52-week high, and now we're below, um, or below that. And so I'm going to go ahead and buy one for now, and I might buy another, but I think I'm gonna just stay in the trade, not think about it. I'm using my profits from NVIDIA. The cool thing about this is that there's some decay related to these funds, but it's not like an option which is just going to expire on me right away. Anyway, so when I bought it, I bought a share. So I got in at 68.27. I imagine the spreads on this thing are pretty wild, but I'm okay with this because I'm playing with house money, right? And it might not be as exciting, but now I can kind of ride NVIDIA and not really worry about it. If NVIDIA does take a big dump, I might buy another share with my profits. But for now, I'm kind of okay with just having this one share and letting it ride. Anyway, that's about it. I just wanted to give an update and a solution to staying in the trade, um, because where I was with this trade, right? It's gone up even more. I lost $10. It's just there wasn't really an ideal solution, one that I felt comfortable with, because even if I were to roll it to the maximum strike here, I'd still be in it for a few dollars, and just 2 weeks time, it was gonna poof, and I'd lose that money. The other option I thought about was, I could go and buy a spread or something. But if I bought a spread, it would have sucked because I was looking at buying the 730, 735 spread for a couple $100. And in that respect, I would have been in it for about $100 of my own money and then $100 of my profit. And then I would have watched NVIDIA just take it because I was looking at it when NVIDIA was much higher than where it is now. And I would have it would have been frustrating. And so buying the levered ETF was my best move. Now the thing is, though, is not every stock has a matching, or in this, NVIDIA has actually a couple of different ETFs that are levered. You can go long or short on NVIDIA through these levered funds, but not all stocks have it. So it's not like it's in every situation you can do this. But in NVIDIA's case, there was a couple of options, and I chose one. So now I'm still in the trade. I still get to hope that NVIDIA is going to, keep crushing over the next 10 days or so. I still plan on selling before earnings. And then I'm out. I've made profit. I've made $32 of profit on my $45 call. That's like 75% return cash. So I got my cash, my investment back, and some cash in my pocket. And I got back in the trade and have a share of that ETF. So anyway, I'm not trying to stretch this video out on purpose. I'm just kind of walking through what I did, the logic behind it, and how ultimately I was like, you know what, I need to follow my rules. And when you're up a couple 100% plus or whatever, you should really be managing your profit. Anyway, hope this helps.